100 square feet and you. What I see in you, wine and IKEA glasses, I'll wash and you'll dry, 'cause a broken dishwasher means more of you by my side. No, it's not perfect, but it's ours, as long as we're under the same stars. We could square feet and loud floors and stuck doors and siren sounds at 2 a.m. The pipes leak, there's no heat. The neighbor's dog goes off again, but can't get enough of it. Crazy but loving it, not in a dollhouse anymore. So much more. No, it's not perfect, but it's ours, as long as we're living life here under the same stars. We could have a penthouse with an ocean view, but that wouldn't change a thing, 'cause all that I need is 100 square feet and you. Yeah, all that I need is 100 square feet.